Have you ever wanted to build your own Wi-Fi controlled robot from scratch? In this video, I will show you exactly how I built this smart robot using an ESP32C3, a TB6612 motor driver, and a small OLED display with animated eyes that makes the robot look alive. We'll build everything step by step, starting with the components, wiring, hardware assembly, uploading the code, and finally control the robot wirelessly from a smartphone. Before we start building the robot, let's take a look all the components we'll need for this project. First, we have a 400-point breadboard. Next is the ESP32C3 development board. To drive the motors, we'll use the TB6612 motor driver. For the robot size, I'm using a 0.96-inch OLED display. To power everything, we'll use a 3.7-volt 250 mAh lithium battery. For movement, we need two N20 gear motors along with two wheels and their motor mounting brackets. At the front of the robot, we'll install a mini plastic wheel with a metal rod and a small piece of plastic tube. We'll also need a slide switch to turn the robot on and off. To connect the OLED to the breadboard, we'll use a 4-pin female header. And finally, we'll need some breadboard jumper wires. Now that we have everything ready, let's start making the connections. Let's begin connecting the OLED display to the ESP32C3. Connect the ground pin of the OLED to the ground pin of ESP32C3. Next, connect VCC pin to the 3.3 volt pin. Now connect the SCL pin to the GPIO pin 1 and finally connect the SDA pin to GPIO 0. Now let's connect the ESP32C3 to the TB6612 motor driver. First, connect the 5-volt pin of ESP32C3 to the VM pin on the TB6612. Next, connect ground to ground. Connect GPIO 8 to B in 2. Connect GPIO 7 to B in 1. Connect GPIO 5 to A in 1. Connect GPIO 6 to A in 2. Finally, connect the 3.3 volt pin from the ESP32C3 to the VCC, PWMA, STBY and PWMB pins on the TB6612. Now let's connect the battery. Connect the positive wire from the battery to one terminal of the slide switch. And connect the other terminal of the switch to the 5-volt pin of ESP32C3. Next, connect the negative wire from the battery directly to the ground pin of ESP32C3. Finally, let's connect the motor. Connect the left motor to A1 and A2 on TB6612. Connect the right motor to B1 and B2. If one of your motors rotate in opposite direction during testing, simply swap its two wires. Our wiring is now complete. Now it's time to assemble everything. is now fully assembled. The next step is upload the program to ESP32C3. I have already prepared the complete source code for this project. You can download it using the link provided in the video description below. Open the project in Arduino IDE, select the correct ESP32C3 board and COM port, then click to the upload button. Once the upload is complete, we are ready to test the robot. Now turn on the robot using the power switch. Open the Wi-Fi setting on your mobile phone. Look at the network name ESP32 robot. Enter the password 12345678. Once connected, open your favorite web browser and type the following IP address, then press go. The robot control page will appear on your screen. Now you can control the robot using forward, left, right, backward and stop button. At the same time, the OLED display will show the animated robot eyes. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more Arduino, ESP32, robotics and DIY electronics projects. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.